Hi, I'm MILAN KHURANA and I build custom motorcycles. The RE Twins are such a versatile motorcycle. That's almost a blank canvas for designers like us. We have been doing hard parts for the RE Twins and it's such a satisfying feeling that it enables people to become custom bike builders at home.
We got together with a friend MK to build this one-off custom product for the Enfield Twins. It's always great to work with him since our philosophies around motorcycle design is very similar. We wanted to build a product where we both work on our strengths. MK is more technology driven, where he focuses on functionality, whereas we are more raw and old school who are still stuck in the 70s.
The brief was to create something that's part of the bike, of how the bike should have rolled out of the factory. The Twins are a very simple machine. It's a new smooth engine and we love how they have kept the bike very simple. They haven't added any unnecessary features to complicate the electronics and the rider. The bag should also complement the simplicity of the bike without compromising the functionality.
We've created space for the original toolkit to be placed on the right bag. The toolkit is very basic and this bag works like a perfect tool bag when you have to carry a lot more tools, especially on a road trip. We've also integrated a neat locking system in case you want to carry something important. Of course, what is a good motorcycle that looks like every other motorcycle? You can buy the bags individually or as a pair to allow them to customize your motorcycle your way.